Hi guys, I just wanted to use this as an opportunity to just reiterate some of the expectations that I have as we continue on our journey through remote learning. So if you go to the remote learning cheat sheet that I made for you guys before we started on this endeavor, we talked a little bit about how we are going to be following a day one, day two schedule. Just so that we're clear, my office hours for our remote learning are going to be between the hours of 9 and 10 a.m. every day. If you would like to talk to me during this time, you may email me, GChat me, or we can schedule a time to conference over Zoom. Um, Other than that, I want to make sure that we're also clear on where to find the information that you'll need to complete the activities for our class. So I know that there's been a little bit of confusion about really where to access the attendance form that I need you guys to fill out every day. So I'd like from now on for you guys to start on Schoology. And if you go to your page in Schoology, you'll see a page that I created for you called Daily Attendance. If you click on that, there will be a link each day for that particular attendance page. Really, I'm encouraging you guys to start at Schoology first because that's really what Livingston is encouraging us to do, and it keeps everything consistent and make sure that everybody starts in the same place every day. This is also where you can find your remote learning daily assignments for each day. I know that I post everything ahead of time on Google Classroom, but I would like you to go here first just so that you can see your list of activities for each day. Here you can be directed to Google Classroom where you can find all of our assignments under the remote learning resources. Be mindful that this page is obviously getting inordinately large since we have started. So we will probably be creating a new topic page focused on reviewing for the AP exam as we continue our remote learning, or if we continue our remote learning after spring break. Thank you guys for tuning in with me for this segment. I really appreciate the hard work and diligence that you all have shown. If you have any questions or you need any help on any assignments, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am available to you whenever you need. Other than that, I hope everybody stays healthy and well, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.